Hello everyone. Today's we are starting our next lectures by using the terms of the chirality and RS configurations in allenes and spiro type of compounds. In the previous lecture we have discussed about the allene in which a cyclic structure is also there. Today's we are taking some more interesting topics like to be spiro compounds, the cyclic compounds. So I am going to explain you about the spiro and its chirality and its structure as well as the configuration in RS compound. The configurations, the assigning the configurations to a particular compound is a similar like to be a simple allene. Okay, so just we are going to start with the help of our present one. So just like to be, I am giving you one examples we have already done. So that one is the structure of allene. Okay, in this allene, that one is hydrogen. So suppose just hydrogen, and this one is Br. The another one is hydrogen is here, and that one is known as the Cl. So guys, look at here. It is like to be a structures. I'm showing you the structures with the help of this molecular diagrams. So what happened here? This double bond is like to be this one, but what happened? These both are in a same planes, but the rings is towards the observer. यहाँ पे जो rings है वो क्या है, इस बोर्ड के इस तरह से आई है flattened way में towards the observer, but these carbon and both molecules are flattened. ये black boards के plane में है और जो ring है ये बाहर आई है. It's to be like this. This carbon is here, this 2H or Br is here, but ring C is always toward the observer, and these molecules are also that hydrogen is chlorine is towards the observer, and that one is inside the board, and that hydrogen is inside the board is like to be this. Okay, so if you are doing like this is also a tetrahedral structure, guys. So this hydrogen is toward the observer, this hydrogen is backward the observer, and they both are in plane. अब चाहे आप इसको ऐसे करें, this one is both are in plane, is toward the observer. So it's showing you a three-dimensional structure if we are going to define its configuration and its chirality. Here also the same assumptions. The molecule should be chiral when the ring plus double bond should be even. It means the such type of compound is a chiral compounds. Okay, cyclic and double bonded compounds. अगर इसमें एक रिंग और डबल बॉन्ड्स है तो इसका मतलब वो भी क्या है, एक कायरल कंपाउंड में कंसीडर्ड किया जाता है. So it's to be like to chiral compounds, but if they have ring plus double bonds are odd, so at that time is achiral compounds. ये कैसा कंपाउंड होगा आपका, achiral है तो we are not able to assign their geometry. Okay, but some achirals having some geometries. In case of the spiro, not here. Okay, so we are going to assign RS configurations. So such compound C, if you are passing a plane through here, अगर आप इसके बीच में एक plane pass करते हैं, and see this one, guys, this bromine is denoted by a red ball. इस bromine को आप red ball से दिखा दीजिए, and you just show that chlorine is toward the observer. जो है इसको मैं किससे दिखा देता हूँ, इस ball से, blue color ball से. So look at this, guys. Okay, so what happened if the ring is like to be this one? Okay, अगर आप Br को नीचे दिखा दें, it's good for you. Br is above side, and this one is above sides. Sorry, the Br is here, and hydrogen is above side on the plane, and the chlorine is here on the down towards the observer. So it's to be like this. Okay, so it's to be like this. So see, guys, the Br is on that side. Okay, I mean it's giving the Br is the downside and hydrogen is above side, and chlorine is towards the observer. ये chlorine बाहर की तरफ है, towards the observer है. Br downside है, H ऊपर side है, और ring is toward the observer side. So it's to be like this. Okay, ये इस तरह से assign होगा. So we are starting to the assign. So we are always moving here to here. Okay, tail to head की तरफ को. So we are assigning number here, and there is a no plane of symmetry. अगर मैं इसको कट करूं तो A B के इक्वल नहीं है और C D के इक्वल नहीं है. So that is another conditions. Okay, यहाँ पे जो दोनों कंपोनेंट्स हैं, the H should not be like to be Br and here is H, it should not be like to be Cl. The both elements are at difference. So no plane of symmetry is here. So we are assigning number from this side 1, 2, 3 and 4. Look at here guys, what happened in case of such type of compounds. The lowest priority group is behind this board. यहाँ पे जो lowest priority group है वो क्या है आपके behind the boards चला गया है. ओके तो इसको behind the boards है, तो इसको behind the boards करके दिखाते हैं कि कैसे behind the boards आपका गया है और फिर इसकी ज्योमेट्रीज को या इसका कॉन्फ़िगरेशन असाइन करेंगे. सो मैंने आपसे क्या बोला था, दिस क्लोरीन इज टुवर्ड द ऑब्जर्वर, ये टुवर्ड्स द ऑब्जर्वर है. ये हाइड्रोजन कहाँ है आपका, बैकवर्ड्स. मैंने क्या करा, रिंग ऐसे थी, ये टुवर्ड्स द ऑब्जर्वर था, इस रिंग को उठाकर इस तरह से कर दिया. ओके तो ये क्लोरीन अभी भी टुवर्ड्स द ऑब्जर्वर है और जो लीस्ट प्रायोरिटी हाइड्रोजन है देखिए कहां है, इफ यू आर ऑब्जर्वर सो इट इज बिहाइंड द रिंग. ओके एंड दिस बोथ आर इन प्लेन. ये दोनों कहां हैं, प्लेन में. तो आपने फर्स्ट नंबर ब्रोमीन को दिया था, सेकंड नंबर हाइड्रोजन को दिया था और थर्ड नंबर किसको दिया था, क्लोरीन को. तो ये ऐसे जाएगा 1 2 3 सो इट इज S. तो यहां देखिए 1, ओके 1 इज Br, 2 and chlorine is 3. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 and least priority group back side. तो यहाँ पे कोई भी configuration change नहीं होगा. So it is to be like the S configuration. So with the help of this we are going to find out its configurations. See, I am giving you the next example in case of the cyclic compounds. So see guys, here I am showing you the another example. That one is the double bond, is the carbon. Okay, so here is NH2 is here and here is the one lone pair is also. Okay, so here this again ones this that one is suppose is a chlorine. Okay, इसको जरा मैं dotted lines दिखा दूँ. It's to be a chlorine और ये जो wedge line है this one is hydrogen. Any symmetry is available. If we just cut down this molecule from here or if you are passing the symmetry from here, so this compounds, this one is not equal to that one is not equal to that one. So यहाँ पे सारे ग्रुप क्या हैं अलग. And the ring plus bond they both are even number. Ring और bonds मिलाकर दोनों क्या हैं, even है. तो इसका मतलब the first of all ये तो confirm हो गया कि इस compounds में क्या है, chirality presence है. Then we are showing to you about these few information related to that one. So see guys, अब मैं इसको अगर ऐसे दिखाऊं, ये आपका क्या है, रेड वाला NH2 है और ये जो लोन पेयर है वो व्हाइट वाला है. क्लोरीन पहले भी मैंने आपको बताया था, दैट वन इज ब्लू वन और हाइड्रोजन क्या है, ये व्हाइट वाला है जो आपकी तरफ है. सी दैट इज NH2 लोन पेयर, बैक साइड वन इज अ Br and that one is hydrogen. So look at guys, here we are working from tail to head. So that we are providing number 1 to whom, मैंने बोला था न्यूट्रल एटम को सबसे पहले नंबर प्रोवाइड करा जाता है. So NH2 is 1, lone pair is 2, that chlorine is 3 and hydrogen is 4. But guys look at here, the fourth priority group is towards the observer. अब देखिए जरा, ये हाइड्रोजन जो था ऐसे था, NH2 ये था lone pair और lowest priority group आपकी तरफ है. जरा इस lowest priority group जो आपकी तरफ है, अब जब इसको जरा इस तरह से करके देखिए, ये दोनों प्लेन में हैं, क्लोरीन बैक साइड है और हाइड्रोजन आपकी तरफ है. सो here we have assigned number NH2, this is one NH2 1, this one is 2 और क्लोरीन is back side. तो 1 2 3 like to be 1 2 3. ओके तो ये क्या हुआ, 1 2 3 इस तरह से रोटेट हुआ. बट ये जो लोएस्ट प्रायोरिटी का ग्रुप है दैट इज टुवर्ड्स द ऑब्जर्वर. इफ द लोएस्ट प्रायोरिटी ग्रुप इज टुवर्ड्स द ऑब्जर्वर, व्हाट डज इट मीन, इट मींस द कॉन्फ़िगरेशन शुड बी चेंज. होना तो क्या चाहिए था R, बट द लोएस्ट प्रायोरिटी ग्रुप जो है वो टुवर्ड्स द ऑब्जर्वर है, तो क्या होगा, S होगा. ओके लाइक दिस वन. सो दैट्स वन ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ दिस we are able to define its configurations. The next one is a very important topic. The two type of the chirality present in such type of compounds. यहाँ पे जो chirality है वो two types से available है. The two types of chirality available in this compounds If I'm giving you examples, so look at here, that is the another example. This is double bond carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen. Here is also a hydrogen, here is also a hydrogen. Okay, like to be this one, that is a dotted line, and that one is the wedge line. Okay, and but here bromine are available. Okay, एक compounds आपका ये है. Is what happen in case of the second compounds? If I am showing you the another compounds to be like this. This one is a ring. Okay, that is double bond, that is carbon, that is hydrogen, that one is Br, and here also chlorine as well as the chlorine is dotted line, and that one is fluorine. Okay, see guys, what does it mean? मैंने आपको बताया था if A and B are not should be equal, but यहाँ पे A और B दोनों atoms क्या हैं? Same. Here is also A and C and D are equal. जबकि conditions क्या थी? C और D एक जैसा नहीं होना चाहिए और ना ही A और B एक जैसा होना चाहिए. But if you are passing plane, so it is a planar. क्या ये एक planar compounds है? Plane ये एक दूसरे का reflections हैं, ये एक दूसरे का reflections हैं. But due to the availability of this bromine, this compound is to be a chiral compounds. क्योंकि अब ये कंपाउंड एक दूसरे का मिरर इमेज नहीं है, क्योंकि दैट साइड इज हाइड्रोजन बट दैट साइड इज ब्रोमीन. तो इस पार्ट को आप क्या बोलते हैं? दैट इज नोन एज द सेंट्रल पार्ट और वी से लेटरल पार्ट. और इस पार्ट को आप क्या बोलते हैं? दैट पार्ट इज नोन एज द व्हिच पार्ट? दैट पार्ट इज जनरली नोन एज द axial part. Okay, so but here the bromine available at the central part, this compound is not to be a planar compounds. ये planar compound नहीं है, तो इसका मतलब एक ऐसा compounds है, chiral compounds है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे central part में एक ऐसा atom जुड़ा है जो क्या नहीं form करता, आपका एक mirror image या equally दो part में divides नहीं होता. So that chirality is known as the central or lateral chirality. अगर इस तरह का भी प्रेजेंटेशन दिखे तो इसको भी आप सेंट्रल या लेटरल chirality बोलते हैं. But see here in central part both hydrogens are here, and if you passing plane तो क्या A और B is different, C and D are different. तो इस तरह की chirality को क्या कहेंगे आप? That chirality is known as the axial chirality. So two type of chiralities are available here. The one chirality is known as the axial chirality. The another chirality is known as the central chirality. If one compound having any one chirality inside any one compounds, or we say the alene compounds, so that type of compound should be chiral. अगर इन दोनों में से कोई एक भी अवेलेबल हुआ तो वो कंपाउंड क्या होगा? आपका chiral compounds considered किया जाएगा. Okay, so see guys, I'm giving you some another examples of the central and chiral lateral chirality. The one example is here also. This one is a compound. Okay, this one is towards the observer, so इसको ऐसे दिखाया जाएगा. That is double bond carbon H. So guys, this is a chiral or achiral. Actually यहाँ पे सिंगल रिंग और डबल बॉन्ड्स भी है, तो ये क्या है? इवन है, तो इवन होने से इसको chiral होना था. बट व्हाट हैपेंस, यहाँ पर एक प्लेन पास करने पे that A is equal to B, ये एक दूसरे का क्या है? रिफ्लेक्शंस हैं. तो इस तरह से ये कंपाउंड्स क्या हो गया? इट्स ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द प्लेनैरिटी, such compound is a achiral compounds. But so in axial position is also no difference group, and in central position is also have, or lateral position they don't have any difference group. So both kind of the chirality is absent. But what happens, suppose if we are substituting one hydrogen by a fluorine atom, अगर suppose यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन को सब्स्टिट्यूट करके फ्लोरीन ऐड कर दूं तो क्या अभी भी इसमें प्लेन ऑफ सिमेट्री अवेलेबल है? No. At that time, which type of chirality is here? That is known as the lateral chirality or the central chirality. So due to the central chirality and due to the availability of the lateral chirality, at that time such type of compound is chiral compound. तो इसको हम कैसे कहेंगे? Chiral compounds में हम इसको consider करते हैं. Okay, this one is the chiral compounds. Next one. The next one is, the next example is, guys, that one is another compound. Okay, so here you have the Br, the another one you also have Br above side, that is double bonds carbon. This one is H and Cl. Here also sorry, that one is Br and the another one is H. Okay, this towards the observer. So look at, guys, if you are passing plane from here to here, so what happened? They both are reflecting to each other. तो यहाँ पे plane of symmetry है, पर किसके लिए? Central part के लिए. क्या axial part में atoms एक दूसरे से मैच कर रहे हैं? नहीं कर रहे हैं. So here the central chirality is absent. So here the central chirality is absent, but which chirality is available? Due to the presence of the axial chirality. Okay, the axial chirality is present. तो यहाँ पे जो compounds है वो axial chirality के कारण क्या है, किस तरह का बन गया है, आपका chiral compounds बन गया है. So this is the, due to the available of the axial chirality, the such type of compound is chiral compounds. So you are able to find out its configurations. How we are going to find out its configurations? They moving from tail to head. So we starting from the tail, 1, 2, and then one is 3 and 4. And see, guys, what happened here? Again, if we are showing this molecule, ये देखिए ये molecules ये है आपका, इसको अगर आप ऐसे शो करते हैं नीचे और ऊपर, तो रिंग कहाँ है? प्लेन में है. ये दोनों कहाँ है? बोर्ड के प्लेन में है. दैट इज क्लोरीन. और ब्रोमीन्स हो गया आपका कहाँ पे? पीछे. थोड़ी सी एडिशंस अलग करना पड़ेगा. शोइंग यू, वेट. सो ब्रोमीन कहाँ है आपका? बैक साइड. और जो हाइड्रोजन्स कहाँ है अब आपका? टुवर्ड्स द ऑब्जर्वर. ठीक है, that is the chlorine, this is hydrogens in the same board plane, ring is towards you, and hydrogen is also your observer, so towards you, and bromine is a red color molecule is back side. अब इसको इस तरह से कर दीजिए. Okay, so then we are giving number. chlorine को नंबर क्या था? 1, hydrogen is 2 और bromine को क्या था? 3. so ऐसे कैसे जाएगा? 1, 2, 3. so rotate it 1, 2 and 3. so it is rotating is like to be 1, 2 and 3. Which type? 1, 2 and 3. और ऐसे करके देखो 1, 2, 3. It's rotating like to be this one. ये होना क्या चाहिए आपका? This is like to be S. But lowest priority का group कहाँ है? Towards you. The lowest priority group is towards you. So its configuration should be R. तो इसका configurations क्या होगा आपका? R configurations decide होगा. So the lots of example is giving you some time. Okay, related to that one, I'm giving you one more example of that chirality related to that alene type of compounds in which the one ring is here. This example is hydrogens is double bond carbon. Okay, guys, that is the hydrogens. But here one bromine is like to be this, and the another bromine is aligned to be this. अब आप मुझे बताइए, the hydrogen is this one, and here hydrogen is like to be this one. And when we equally divided this molecule in 2 equal halves, so they contain the planar of symmetry. यहाँ पे कोई plane symmetry available है? No, because here the bromine is downwards. We say endo, and the bromine is exo. At that time, such type of compound is considered to be a chiral compound. तो ये भी क्या है आपका? एक chiral compounds में considered किया जाता है. Okay, so these are the example, and we have also assigned the RS configurations to such type of examples. I'm just going to modify the rings. Here we are taking, so I'm giving you one more example. I'm giving you a hexagonal ring. We are inserting a hexagonal ring. Same structures है, but rings हम इसमें क्या कर रहे हैं आपका? Change कर रहे हैं. That is the carbon have hydrogen. That one is NH2. And here I am giving you the the carbons, and this one is CH3, and the another one is hydrogen. So look at, guys, so we are starting the number, so it moving from here to here. Okay, so we starting numbering from 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what is our rotation? 1, 2, 3 S. First of all, look at here. Here, the double bond plus ring is not in a even number. It like to be odd number. ये odd number है. तो odd number होते ही जो शर्त थी, जो assumptions था, उसने में ये mentions किया गया था. If the compounds having ring plus bond is even, at that time compound should be chiral. If they don't have the ring plus double bond is equal to even number, it is if it is odd number, so it should be a achiral. तो ये कैसा होगा आपका achiral. तो इसकी ऑप्टिकल एक्टिविटी होगी नहीं, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी डबल 1 2 3 कैसा नंबर आ गया आपका, ऑड नंबर आ गया है. तो ऑड नंबर में क्या होगा, इस कंपाउंड की कायरलिटी खत्म हो जाती है. तो सच टाइप ऑफ कंपाउंड इज नॉट टू बी अ कायरल कंपाउंड्स. ओके, बट फिर भी अब हम इसमें थोड़ी कायरलिटी जनरेट करें, इसको इवन नंबर पे ले आएं. ओके, सो हियर वी आर इंसर्टिंग COOH. then next one we are inserting, okay, so here we are inserting here one more compound is suppose CH3. So guys, we are starting from here to here, no plane of symmetry. We are assigning the number already here, assigned here 1 2, here is 3 and here is 4. So again we are going to define, suppose this COOH group is denoted by red. ये कहाँ है आपका, पीछे की तरफ है. And CH3 is towards the observer, that one is CH3 is towards you, and hydrogen is also in plane of the board. इस board के plane में है hydrogen, and blue color compound is NH2. The NH2 is 1, hydrogen is 2, and backside is compound is 3. So that is 1 2 3. That is 1 2 3. So which type of compound? S. But see guys, here CH3 is a least priority group. And least priority group is showing by a dark line, is always toward the observer, so it is not to be as, it is R configurations. बोला गया है कि least priority group जब भी आपकी तरफ हो, is toward the observer, the such type of configurations at that time configuration should be involved. So it is the examples. Okay, so these are examples of the allenes. The next we are going to work on in case of the spiro compounds. What is the meaning of the spiro compounds? The spiro compound is to be like twisting ring is here, so that one is spiro. Okay, ये तो दोनों ही एक जैसे हो गए. The one ring is to be like this. Okay, and the another ring is to be like this. I'm showing you. That one is the best examples of the spiro compounds. See what happened in case of the spiro compounds. Okay, is to be like this, is to be like that one. Here the one ring, this one, if I'm showing you like this one, if I'm showing you like this one, so here two hydrogens like to be this one, and here the one hydrogen is to be like this. इस कंपाउंड्स में जो एक रिंग्स है वो दोनों एक ही प्लेन में नहीं है. दैट रिंग जिसको मैंने डार्क लाइन से दिखाया है, इट इज लाइक टू बी दिस, और दूसरी रिंग्स क्या होती है, इसके अपोज में रहती हैं. तो ये इस तरह का ट्विस्टिंग मॉडल्स है. द वन रिंग इज टू बी लाइक दिस वन, द अनदर रिंग ऑलवेज रिमेन इन ऑन अ प्लेन. ओके, सो यहाँ पे भी हाइड्रोजन का जो ओरिएंटेशन होगा, द हाइड्रोजन इज ऑल्सो ओरिएंटेड बाय इन सच अ वे, इन विच सच अ वे. यहाँ पे दो जो हाइड्रोजन्स हैं वो कहाँ हैं, बोर्ड्स के प्लेन में. ओके, दिस इज द टू हाइड्रोजन्स इज प्लेन ऑन द बोर्ड्स, और ये दो हाइड्रोजन्स हैं, एक टुवर्ड्स द ऑब्जर्वर है, एक क्या है, बैकवर्ड्स द ऑब्जर्वर. सो हियर द अरेंजमेंट इज टू बी लाइक दिस वन. तो यहाँ पे जो हाइड्रोजन्स हैं, इफ यू आर जस्ट ओरिएंटेटेड लाइक टू बी दिस वन, तो ये इस तरह से ओरिएंटेड होगा. ठीक, तो इट इज टुवर्ड्स द, this ring is to be like this, and this one is going to be like this one. Okay, so here we are going to assign the chirality. Such type of compound is also having the same rule. If they have even number of ring, so such type of compounds is known as the chiral. If they have odd number of ring, यहाँ पे भी अगर odd number of ring होगी, So that compound is known as the achiral. इसको आप क्या कहेंगे? अकायरल कहेंगे। और यहाँ पे भी हम क्या ऑब्जर्व करेंगे? प्लेन ऑफ सिमेट्री लाइक टू बी दिस वन। यहाँ पे भी क्या है आपका? प्लेन ऑफ सिमेट्री है। और तीसरी कंडीशन क्या है? दैट A should not be like to B and C is not should be like to D। यानी कि जो दो कंपाउंड्स हैं वो एक जैसे नहीं होने चाहिए, बट यहाँ पे हैं। They are reflected, they are reflections of each other, so that's why that compound is not to be chiral, that compound is achiral. They following the similar kind of conjunctions like to be a allene. So I'm showing you, giving you some examples of the chirality, like see the next one. So guys, here this one, both rings are here, the one Br is here, okay, one hydrogen is here, the another hydrogen is here, the one hydrogen is on the plane and the another one is a plane like to be on the boards. The next one, the next example is, इसका next example देखिए क्या है? This next example is to be like this one. Here is a one COOH group is here, the another one is hydrogens. यहाँ पे जो एक रिंग्स है वो इस बोर्ड से बाहर है, ठीक है, और यहाँ पे ये रिंग्स आपके बोर्ड्स के बाहर है, another rings के plane में है. Here also the Cl is here, okay, the dotted line is shown by the Cl and that one is Br is here. So guys, here is a plane of symmetry. Here we are moving from tail to head. Here we are also moving from tail to head. So here is a symmetrical compounds. Okay, here A is equal to B and B is equal to C. But look at here. Here at the central part a Br is attached. इस हिसाब से इसमें plane of symmetry है तो इसको क्या होना चाहिए? Achiral. But due to the availability of this Br at the central part, or the lateral parts of this ring, these bromines are not reflected by the another bromine. यहाँ पे इस साइड ऐसा कोई भी bromine नहीं है जो कट करने पे इसकी इमेज बनाए, तो that compound are known as the chiral. They also have the central as well as the lateral. Which type of chirality? That is known as the lateral chirality. Lateral chirality. Okay. But look at here, nothing is available on this lateral part. But in the axial, the A is not equal to B and C is not equal to D. यहाँ पे सारे एक दूसरे से क्या हैं अलग. अगर आप इसको कट करेंगे, so they are not reflected to each other. So that's why this compound is also chiral compound. So इस compound को भी आप कहेंगे chiral compounds कहेंगे. Then we are going to assign RS configurations. So we are starting from here 1, this one is 2, this one is 3 and this one is 4. So जो fourth priorities group है वो क्या है आपके बैक साइड है, तो configuration same होगा. We are assigning 1, 2, 3, 4. So which type of configuration it is? R configurations. इसको आप क्या बोलेंगे? R configurations assign करेंगे. Okay. So these are that's a way to assign the RS configurations in the given compounds. So that is a spiral compounds. इसको आप क्या कहेंगे? Spiral compounds considered करते हैं. I'm just giving you the another example. What about this one? What about this one compounds? This one is chiral or achiral? Okay. This one is which type of compound? Achiral. First of all, they are violating the rule of A is not equal to B and C is not equal to D. The second thing, the number of ring is odd number of ring. Or if the compounds having the odd number of rings, so in case of spiro is also the such type of compound is known as the achiral compounds and optically inactive compounds. But look at here guys, इस तरह के compounds जो हैं वो achiral तो कहलाते हैं, इनमें axial symmetry नहीं देखी जाती. They does not exist axial symmetry. Axial means in terminal parts पे, okay? But इनके केस में ज्यादातर कौन सी symmetry देखने के chances होते हैं? Lateral symmetry. They are famous for the lateral chirality. Okay. Here the axial chirality is not available. But generally what happened, the lateral chiralities are available here if we attached one Br here. Okay. So what happened, 2 hydrogen is here and 2 hydrogen is here. So if you attach this hydrogen is there, so at that time is also the plane is available, but the Br is here. So Br, after we are passing the plane here, that Br is not reflected by the another Br, because the another side no Br atom is available. So that time the such type of compound should not to be achiral, it is chiral due to the available of lateral chirality. तो इस तरह के कंपाउंड्स में जो होती हैं वो लेटरल कायरलिटीज अवेलेबल होती हैं. तो ये किसका एग्जांपल है सबसे बढ़िया, लेटरल कायरलिटी का एग्जांपल्स है. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू, assigning you some another one, spiral compounds. So in case of this another one compounds, it is another one. Okay, so that is Br I, okay, here H minus CH3. So that is another chiral compounds. Here no central or lateral chirality is here. Here only axial chirality is existing. यहाँ पे केवल axial chiralities है, कोई भी lateral और central chirality अवेलेबल नहीं है. तो गाइस इसकी नंबरिंग करें, टेल टू हेड की तरफ को मूव करते हैं. So this is 1, that one is 2, iodine is 3 and bromine is 4. So that we are going to assign the number. So that is 1, 2, 3 is here. So we are working from higher priority to least priority according to this S configuration, and see here the least priority group always behind the observer. So generally that one is S configuration. So guys, you are able to find out the configuration as well as the optical activities in spiro as well as in allenes. Okay, so that is the last topic of the chirality and RS configuration in spiro and allene compound. That's all for the day. In our next lecture we are working in some other compounds, okay, on the behalf of RS configuration as well as the chirality. Thank you.